Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So I am here at Goodwill and I'm going to be plant decor shopping, and I'm looking for some pots because now that I have more plants in my collection, I do need pots. And if you're a plant parent, you know that pots can become very expensive if you get them at your local garden center. So I'm going to see what I can thrift here, and even if it's ugly, I can always bring it home and DIY them and make it my own. So let's just go ahead and go in there because I'm excited to see what they have. I'm also looking for some like baskets. I'm into baskets as well. So yeah, let's just go ahead and go in there and wish me luck. Hopefully I find something that is cute and I can bring it home to my plant baby. So let's go in there. You can put plants on here and it rolls. This would be cute. Can use these for like propagations. Some of these don't even have a price. These are more for like flowers. You got vases or vases. This one is so cute. Another one for propagation. These are cute. 99 cents.
Oh, by the way, you have a perfect score in your retreat. You paid out nicely. Everything okay. Well, something I give my daughter.
Oh, this one's cute. You can put like your forks, spoons in here. Look, for when we harvest, we put our vegetables in here. Yeah. This one's cute. $2.92. Okay, and then a lot of these don't have, well, this one does, but it doesn't have prices on them. And I like this one, like you can always remove the handle. That can become a really cute planter. And they want $191 for this one, but I don't know. Feels kind of a little weak, so I'm not sure if I want to get it. Okay, this is, I know, for tissue paper, but if you flip it, that can also become a planter, and it has a drainage hole, but no price, so I don't know. Another, a bird cage. You put a plant in here.
Of course you will.
Could just spray paint that in different color. So cute. I don't know about that. And a lot of these like candle holders, a plant can go in there if you can find one. This one. this one. Well, you can remove those plants. See this one. It's like a vase or vase.
I've seen that one.
That's cute, right? And then I found one here. $4.94. No drainage hole. It's a little bit pricey. Here's some here. 59 cents. 99. 59 cents. This would be cute to put a little plant in here. All right, so I am home. I'm in my backyard. As you guys can tell, just ignore the background. My lawn is looking really crazy right now, but I prefer to talk to you out here rather than sit in the truck, because even if I turn on my AC, you can hear the wind blowing. So I'd rather be out here under the shade, fresh air. But anyway, so I do want to share my haul on what I did purchase. So the first thing that I picked up, hold on, let that plane pass by, you guys. It's always so loud every time I try to do a video. Okay, so now that the plane has passed by, at my Goodwill, there was hardly anything. They didn't have any kind of like plant decor. They didn't have any pots, any baskets, anything. So anyways, I did see these and I thought it would be such a cute idea to put a plant in here. And all this is a bird cage, and it has a bird here as well. And I thought it was so cute. It's in gold, but because it really doesn't match like my decor or anything, I'm going to paint it, and I wanted to do it with you guys since this video is super short. So I'm going to be painting this, and this was only for $1, only because it is broken. It's missing the cage door here, so I think that's why they sold it for $1. So I think it was still good, because even though you can place like your saucer here and then put your plant in there, and if you need to take it out, remove it, you can also do so. I just thought it was really cute. And then to hang it, look how cute is this. I think it's adorable. So I didn't just only pick that one up, I also picked this one, this little beady one. Now this one was a little bit more pricier. I don't know why. This one was $4. This one is, it has feet. The door of this one, the cage, it does open, so I thought that was cute. It just has a little nail, but I can just simply hammer that down, so that way I do not get poked or anything like that. But also I'm going to spray paint this one, because this one is like a turquoise color and it doesn't match any of my home decor. So I thought this was so cute as a plant decor. So yeah, let's just go ahead and spray paint these and put a plant in there and see how it looks all put together. All right, so to paint those beautiful bird cages, I'm going to be using this Krylon Color Max paint and primer, and the shade is in gloss white. Before getting started, I did wash these out before I came out here, so it had time to dry off in the sun. So they are completely dry, so let's just go ahead and put its coating on it. Once we gave our can of spray a really good shake, we can go ahead and start painting it. So although that it looks good as it is, just plain old white, but I want to kind of like rough it up a little bit, give it some kind of character and texture to these bird cages, because I don't know, they give me like an old vintage vibe. So I'm just going to rough around the edges and see how that turns out. All right, there we have it. I think it looks so cute like this. Okay, let's take them inside so we can get a better view at this, and that way I can also insert a plant in there and see how it looks. All right, so here's the finished product, and I think it looks really good. It gives its character. It brings out the green in the plants, and on here, on this one is I put the pearls and jade pothos in there, and then here I just put my Hoya in there, and I think it looks beautiful. This was a $5 well spent. All right, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I thank you so much for joining me today and for going with me to Goodwill. It wasn't exactly what I expected, but better, I think, in my opinion. I am in love with these bird cages and how it all turned out. But anyway, so again, thank you again for being here, and I have nothing else to say except I love you guys, and I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye. Thanks, guys.